See, with the engine light on, we will locate the onboard diagnostic connector. Today we are going to look at a Vauxhall Vectra 1.9 CDTI, and this is done on a 08 plate. And there's your onboard diagnostic connector. And the next one will be to locate the fuses. So we'll have to go to the engine bay. So if you locate panel with a battery, it looks like a fuse symbol, open him up to protect it from the rain. Open them up as well, and there's your fuses and the relays. And again, you've got a fuse and relay diagram layout. So we start from the top and then just follow it down corresponding to the diagram.